Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. From last few months, almost all custom ROM released their initial Android system build, but some of custom ROMs like Infinity Rising OS made available their more customizable Android 16 builds. But another contender entered in this list called as Mistify. Last time I reviewed Android 15 version of this ROM on my Nothing Phone 1. That time I really impressed with its user interface, features and performance. Now you got its new version MistOS 4.0 Android 16 custom JSA version. You can boot and enjoy this JSA on any device. This ROM looks stunning, it offers lots of customizations and it have performance that is top notch. So today in this video we are going to review everything about this build. So officially or unofficially supported devices by MistOS team and any Android devices which want to boot this JSA on their device can get idea how this ROM is. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please like and hype this video in YouTube video rank list. Now without further delay, let's get started. You can follow video links of installations of such ROM via fastboot or by using DSLoader, which are available in video description. So you can give new life to your old aged devices. Let's first check out about device details of new MistOS 4.0. This is a new Android 16 based MistOS 4.0 Sunshine build. This is the unofficial version of Treble Droid JSA build. This ROM comes with inbuilt GApps. Maintainer of this ROM is Dozov, who is a great developer providing regular support for all such JSA ROMs. Security patches of this ROM is of July 2025. Build date of ROM is 19 July 2025. So everything is up to date. MistOS team also added the nice touch of this new device details. After tapping on this mist icon present at the top right side of settings panel, you get short description of the build with nice animation like its version, Android version, maintainer, build date and build type. As this is Android 16 Baklava build, all Android 16 features are available, but MistOS team have done some changes in user interface of QS panel, like it have more rounded corners of brightness slider, QS panel tiles, but QS panel tiles on off toggles and editing animations are similar like Android 16. Settings panel have same Android 16 look, but MistOS team added their own twist in user interface by adding separate device setting and Mistify customization tabs along with new device info shortcuts in settings panel. New Android 16 on-off switch toggles are available in a different settings. New selection and close shortcuts in a recent menu are available. As ROM comes with the Pixel launcher, recent selection is working good. Double press power button to open Google Wallet and long press power button to open Google Gemini Assistant, both are working. Android 16 new battery health feature is available in battery information section of this ROM. So new MistOS have almost all new features of Android 16 along with their own tweaks. Let's take a look on customization features of Mistify. Here we get all basic customization stuffs like monet theming, lock screens, status bar, etc. But I especially like this themes feature. Here we get new power menu styles, which gives some different look to your Android 16 ROM. I especially like the cyberpunk power menu style. Similarly, some notification styles give completely different look to notification panel like cyberpunk, duoline, fluid, iOS and layers. These themes will also make changes in the look of status bar, action bar chip. You can find the status bar action chip in a status bar setting. Now got the new options for this called as compact progress bar, which shows the app icon and its action progress around it in a status bar. You can open that respective application by just tapping on its notification. Show media progress bar toggle now displays the media with its progress in notification panel. If you tap on this notification, you get media forward and backward buttons. Like old Android 15 based theme have added the new boot animation option in a theme setting. Here you get lots of different boot animations of popular custom ROMs. In miscellaneous setting of this ROM, you get lots of tweaks like hide developer status to bypass detection of developer setting by different security applications. Unlimited screen record toggle removes the limit of 15 gig of screen recording. Ignore Windows Secure flag helps to remove restrictions of screenshot for secured applications. In component spoofing, you get option to solve play integrity issues. Here you get option to manually add keybox XML file. You get dedicated play integrity fix toggle. You get update play integrity fix option to periodically upgrade your play integrity modules. You can even load our own PIP JSON files for play integrity fix. You can even spoof storage encryption in this ROM. Some Google application spoofing for unlocking of Pixel exclusive features are available for Google Application Play Store, etc. Who also gets unlock RFS for gaming and Google Photo Unlimited backup toggles. All of these settings needs rebooting of your system for their activation once you enable them. After reboot, some of them actually work, like this new effect feature of wallpaper and style setting. If you apply new wallpaper, you get new effect option which prompts you to download some cinematic effect data. Once done, it will start the processing of wallpapers and you get some slight animation for wallpapers while scrolling and while unlocking and locking your device. Unlimited Google Photo Backup is also working after applying this tweak. In buttons option of system setting, you get option to open multiple shortcuts by just long swiping back gesture key, which helps you to do better multitasking. So we have seen almost everything about this ROM. Now let's talk about bugs. Punch hole cutout looks weird. We can temporarily solve this issue by activation of hide and display cutout option which is available in the display cutout setting. But after every reboot or system UI restart, it goes back to default setting. And the display fingerprint unlock is not working, but devices with physical fingerprint may get working fingerprint feature for this ROM. But this ROM have working face unlock feature which is accurate and blazing fast. Even after applying all integrity check spoofing features of miscellaneous setting, still all integrity checks are failing in this ROM, but still all banking and payment applications are working for me. Even WhatsApp, Snapchat like chatting applications are working fine. Wide one security level is L1, so you can stream Netflix, Amazon Prime like application on full HD resolution in this ROM. In gesture setting, you get circle to search toggle, but even after enabling it, circle to search is not working for me. But you can enable it by following iCard video tutorial for any custom or stock ROM. This build comes with table setting application which offers multiple options to solve any bugs of GSR ROMs. Like by using IMS setting, you can solve 4G calling issue. You can enable always on display by using this toggle. And by using this toggle calls as disable HWC back pressure, you can fix lag in ROM if some devices have issue in the performance. Except these multiple features and fixes are also available in this application. This app will be available in App Drawer and can also accessible via setting. This is all about for new MistOS 4.0, which is amazing ROM. I booted this on my 3 devices like Nothing Phone 1, Poco X2 and OnePlus 9RT. And it's working very well on all of these devices. This is all about for today guys. Hope you like our work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of such adventurous content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.